back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
So how about it, ladies and gentlemen? Anybody here from the great state of the volunteer state of Tennessee? Give it up for Zach Seiss again. So what a race there. Coming up next is PPM Racing Products Heat 3.
So the number 44 machine of John Ruggio Jr. is still going to be a race leader till the outside. It's Joe Level. There's Justin Williams right there to the inside. Oh, we got some contact. Oh, we got one around down in the turns 1 and 2. It'll be the 0 of Avery McMillan. Contact happened there for the number 0 as you had the 727 of Bailey Lowe and the number 7 ride of Corey Allman beating and banging. And they made a lot of contact, and you'll have the 00 of Avery McMillan around, getting hard on the binders, trying to avoid the contact. As we are ready to set them off here for the American Racer Heat Race number 4. 8 laps gonna be the distance as we are ready to go as Wilson leads them to the green. Wilson's gonna lead into the green. Look at 99 of Kyle Hardy to the inside. Big slide job. Oh, we got one around on the turn 3 and 4. It's the number 18. It's gonna be Preston Bollock. So it looks like Joshua Chesney has lost the tire. We got somebody else pulled in. I can't quite see. So we have some trouble there on the Speedway. We have a tire. Maybe it might be from Joshua Chesney as he is on the inside. And yes, the tire is heading towards Joshua Chesney's car. And I believe the 18 that went around was getting some sheet metal pulled, which that was Preston Bollock.
We'll see what happens again on this restart.
Well, it looks like we got to wait for the record to bring Joshua Chesney's ride, and it's probably going to call him a night. I heard something, maybe an axle may have snapped on that race car, and you can see it actually sticking out of the tire there. So more problems here for Joshua Chesney here tonight. He had vehicle problems getting here tonight. Now he's got race car problems getting here tonight. Just a heartbreak for him all around this weekend. Hopefully him and his team get home safely somehow in some way. Well, back to business here for the American Racer Heat Race number 4, as Ethan Wilson is still going to be your leader for a complete double file restart, as we did not get a lap in. Oh, we got a little bit of, we're going to get ready to get fired. We got a little bit of bumping and rubbing down on the backstretch here for your American All-Star Series. American Racer Heat Race number 4s are going to make their way through the middle of 3 and 4, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get them back up. Let's get them wound up. Ethan Wilson leads them to the green as Arthur Walker and Kyle Hardy. We're back underway, and what a start for Hardy on the inside. Oh, we got him around. We got Kyle Hardy around and company. We got a parking lot in turns 1 and 2.
Bedford, Virginia's Jeff Witt got hooked up on the back of Kyle Hardy. Turned him around there in turn 2.
Little bit of a ding, ding, as we are ready to go one more time. As Ethan Wilson and company is going to lead the Heat Race number 4 for the American Racer, and we are back underway. Can we get it through turns 1 and 2? Looking good so far. Kyle Hardy on the bottom side of the speedway. We make it through turn 1 and 2 this time by. As, oh no, we got problems as Witt and Brandon make big contact, and Jeff Witt's around. Devin Brandon's going to pull that 137 on the infield, and big problems there for Jeff Witt out of Bedford. Jeff Witt's got a little bit of damage on the left side. It looks like something broke on that car as he's trying to wheel it back to the infield, as it looks like Jeff Witt in that number 88 car will be done. So Ethan Wilson for a 4th time. Where is Apollo Creed when I need him? Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. As we are ready to go, and now the start might be no good. Green flag is out. Alrighty, now we're starting to get them through turns 1 and 2. Kyle Hardy's going to get on the brake pedal down the backstretch. Kendall Tucker for the big run on the inside. Looking for that final trainer spot, and he does. So it's going to be Ethan Wilson on the outside of 00 machine. It'll go to Walker Arthur in the 2nd spot. We completed the lap. As number 17, it's going to be Logan Robinson. Here comes Kendall Tucker out of North Carolina on the low side. Kyle Hardy trying to get to the show on the inside. Not this time. As Ethan Wilson and Walker Arthur is still going to be up on the outside. Logan Robinson into the 17. Look at Kendall Tucker on the bottom side of the speedway. He's got a fast race car off of 3 and 4. Halfway to go this time. As the 00 of Ethan Wilson continues to lead this one here for the American Racer Heat Race number 4. As it's still all Wilson. Halfway to go this time by. Single file, no the tail. Kendall Tucker hanging on to that final transfer spot. As here comes at number 99, it's Kyle Hardy. Kyle Hardy is there. He is looking there to the inside of Kendall Tucker for that final transfer spot. As Kendall Tucker's got a whole lot of Kyle Hardy, as it's still Ethan Wilson, your race leader, but the battle is for the final transfer spot. Kyle Hardy's going to try to cut down on the turn 3 and 4. 2 to go this time by. As Wilson continues to pull away, 15.683 lap times for Wilson. As Wilson's got one more time, here's Tucker going to defend that slider line in 3 and 4. It's Kyle Hardy looking to the low side. Battle for the final transfer spot, and Hardy is looking to the inside of Tucker. As Wilson makes his way through 3 and 4, he's going to get it done. It'll go to Arthur. It'll go to Robinson. Last chance for Hardy. Hardy looks on the inside of Tucker. Not going to get there. Kendall Tucker makes the show.
What a race for the final transfer spot there.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let them hear ya. It's Ethan Wilson, your winner of Heat Race number 4 for the American Racer.